In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Scorekeeper app and score an 8-ball match. So the first thing you're going to do is log in using your member services login. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a login for member services on the website poolplayers.com. So once you log in, you'll see all of your upcoming matches. You'll want to go ahead and click on the match that you're ready to score. So you'll click on that, and then you will see your rosters for both teams that you're going to be playing that night. You can make any roster changes by clicking Edit Roster, and in this case, we can't make any roster changes because it's after week 4, so you would contact your league operator about that. Once you're ready to start the match, you'll click the blue Start Match button. So now you will go ahead and do the coin flip. The team that wins the coin flip can choose to either put their player up first or let the other team put their player up first. Then you'll select the table size for the table that you're playing on that night and select that blue button there. All right, now you see the rosters for the teams, so you will select the player from each team that's going to be playing and then select the blue button at the bottom once you select that player, and then you'll select the player who won the lag. Select that blue button, and then it will take you to the scoring screen here. Now each time a player's turn is over, you will select that blue button that says the player's turn is over. And that's the way that the Scorekeeper app tracks the innings. So you'll see at the top, the blue bar at the top, you'll see where it says innings, 0 innings right now. It will track those innings at the top every time that you click that the player's turn is over. So that's extremely important to do as the match goes along. So you can see now that the innings are being tracked at the top there. Now once the game is over, you can see that you'll select the way that the game ended and then select that blue button there. And now it goes on to the next game. So again, each time that your player's turn is over, you'll continually select that, and you'll be sure that you as well mark those defensive shots as well as a timeout. So every time that the player has a timeout, you'll select that timeout button, and it tracks it by the, that 1 minute timeout, and then you'll click when the timeout is done, and it again tracks those timeouts. Select when the game is over. Again, it will continually go through this. So now you can see that this particular match is over, and now it will take you to the next match, and you'll do the same thing. Select the players that are playing. Select that button, the blue button at the bottom. Select who wins the lag by checking the box and the blue button, and then it will take you again to the scoring screen. And again, just like the last match, you will continue to enter those matches there. And then it will take you again to the next match as you go along here. Continue to enter those matches, who won the lag, and onto the scoring screen. Again, extremely important to enter not only how these games ended, but also marking those defensive shots, making sure that you're marking the timeouts correctly. At the bottom of the screen there, you can also go back if you need to. You can also select, again, making sure that you're marking whenever somebody does defensive shots and things like that. And then if you ever need to forfeit a player match, you can see we clicked those 3 dots at the top there, and that's how you can select a match forfeit. So now you can see there, Joseph Smith forfeited that match, so Beth Dutton won that match. Now, if you ever need to go back and edit a match, you simply click on that particular match and it opens up the match screen again, and you can make any changes to that match or confirm, that match was correct. So you can see there, we went back to that match, made sure that no changes needed to be made, and then went back here to the actual team screen. So now, once we confirm that everything is correct, we can pay for that match if we need to, go back, confirm that all the scores are correct, and then submit the scores when we're ready. You can also rate your opponent's sportsmanship here. 1 star is the lowest score, 5 stars is the highest score. I can also make comments to the league office if I would like to. So I can make any comments there that I would like to, if I want to or not. You can put those comments in there, select done, and then click that submit button whenever you're ready to submit your scores to the league office. So that is how you can you'll see that successfully submitted match there at the bottom, and that's how you can submit a match using Scorekeeper this was a 8-ball match that we scored here. Pretty easy to do, right?